of those. $48,000 for sale. Damn. Machine gun in there. One of these must have been in Karate Kid, right? Choose. You choose. Colorado River, Nevada, Arizona. Wow. There's so many of these here. Yeah, I love this one. I love those classic old 30s, the side doors and the old mob type. So you turn a rusty old car back into this shape. Isn't that amazing? That is for sale. Now look at that. 3PO. Life size. For me, cars of the 30s. Love it. More collection here. Let's see, Old Car Cemetery. Wow, this guy's just collecting rusting old cars, or what is this? Huh. I mean, they do last here quite a while because they don't rust that fast, but such a humid environment. Yeah, that was beautiful. Okay guys, I'm gonna head out and think about lunch. And then there's another museum on the way I'd like to go to. So I hope you enjoyed this. Back in Arizona, it's an hour ahead here. And I think tomorrow we're gonna head back to Nevada once more, check out the Colorado Belle, the steamboat. Should be neat. Today it's gonna be the Colorado River Museum, which is coming up very soon on the right side. Not that large, but has some neat things to check out. There it is. I think before I go inside, I'm gonna make myself a little lunch snack. Tortilla it is. So we have all we need. This avocado, tomatoes, I think enough meat from 2 days before, was it? For two, spinach, and most importantly, hot sauce, right? And so lunch break was good. Let's check out the museum.
System is arming.
Moss mine at Frank. People by the river. Fort Mojave Indian tribe. Arrowhead collection. 10,000 years old. Of Van Oatman. Read up on her that the character in the, was it Hell on Wheels, a TV show that I very much enjoyed, was only very loosely connected to her. And there's also the town of Oatman, which is named after her. So I just got a nice introduction from Ray over there. He told me they tried to establish camels in this area instead of the donkeys, and apparently that did not work at all. The camels could not handle the terrain here, which is a lot of gravel, sharp rocks. Fort Mojave timeline. Bullets. Wow. Indian boarding school. Harderville Cemetery. So those date back to, let's see, 1898, 97. Yeah. I love those small museums, by the way. They always have something very personal to discover. For me, anyways. As an immigrant, a lot of the stuff is all new. Barbed wire. Most of the barbed wire was handmade in hundreds of different varieties, I'm sorry. So simple things that nowadays you don't consider anymore. 1871 Colt 44 revolver. Dry washer. Obviously a model, but used to crush rocks. That's the only thing that I have in my van is a switch like this. Mine pans. Native fish of the Colorado River. Wow. Try to give you a reference. Old telephone patch bay, switchboard, and there's the fish. Look at that. Isn't that cool? 1948. Tutorial video from the dam boat. So if you go all the way up, you're eventually going to get to the Hoover Dam. So if I'm not mistaken, the Riverside Casino is right here. We went to the car exposition, and here's Bullhead City. So the president was here. Here's the Bullhead's Rock, which I assume is the name giver for the town. So yeah, I'm trying to get up here tomorrow, so we can should be able to see it. Then we have the fire department, Bullhead City, and the police department.
The school was used from 1946 to 1950. Population of Bullhead increased, so they had to build a regular elementary school.
Wow. There we go. Wow, look at that.
You might not remember this because you're kind of young.
I'm actually from Germany.
But you still wouldn't remember it.
No. Schoolhouse, 1946, 1950. So that's pretty much all the kids. And at the time, the size was sufficient. So. Yes, well. So when would they ring it? At the beginning of class?
At the beginning, during recess, and then again at closing the school.
Okay. Outside, I assume, right? So everybody knows.
They would stand out there and ring the bell, and all the kids would come running in.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye, thank you.
Quick shower, Planet Fitness. I'm running late today, so I'm just gonna head back to my camp, and then we check what we're gonna cook for dinner tonight. I bought a couple more things. I have to admit, I'm a really lazy cook, and I want to take advantage of cooking also with you guys together on this channel to definitely improve on that, not only for health reasons, but also, you know, to make it way more interesting rather than cooking always the same meal. So yeah, I see you guys in camp. So what I have is those mixed veggies. Just cook them, I guess, right? Plenty of spinach because I double bought. So avocado and the trusted Impossible Burger. Yeah, as said before, I'm a lazy cook. If you have any ideas by now for simple recipes, I'm all yours listening. Maybe I should use the bigger pot. Yes. Now it's definitely for 2 days. Working pretty well. The only thing I remember is, aren't you not supposed to warm up spinach, right? I remember in school, Nitrat to Nitrit. So I'm just gonna eat all of it.
Nitrat auf Englisch heißt Nitrate.
Computer, Nitrit auf Englisch.
Nitrit auf Englisch heißt Nitrate.
Nitrite, okay. Pretty good. Absolutely. Back at my workstation for tonight, working on a film. I had a meeting with the director, and we watched the entire film together. And he gave me some notes on changes he wants to in the specific scenes. They're all here on top. And I would just go step by step, and then I'm going to re-export, re-render the music out, put it in a Dropbox, and send them the entire new music clips. So, that's what I'm going to do now.